Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Boleh balak kemen remboy pila bat kita minister kena ketam. Di bisa kumno pila yo biasa cisen mah minister.
Kam kaji skill kam don re ka pila namar ba kana kono kamru kadehi ka responsibility ke jikit kli. La bilang en bilang no kata kli kan ya betul.
Tapi kadang em kejipan baik kihun em tikui em leba Pynhiar Shim timapi nak tambah.
Hak demokrasi hi hak sosial paiba hi nimla ban hun bagi nimla ban dumhun. Dai kane kadai ka step ka balaya ka jing consultation na kermen baro ke baro ya de.
Ni kini kisni kimi bagade ka jing penbuar kinu kit kam ban bujlino iba kermen tapi ma nabas kas nanti.
Aya kata da nimla ban pip kata constitution ma president hu konsol baro stakeholder.
Tika ika jing kemil inti jung pi mata Shim pi jung minister.
Kajing kemil inti jung kalau wa kadang kam da bullshit dengan persyam bandu justice ya ek ba dewan le te bakhnang ba aspiration jing kan bala aspiration jing brio bak kata kajing tham jing pai ba la kan bala
ka UDP kan long no ajar primer mata kla wan pindan jikremen
politics kalong very dynamic minam kan tham sata kadai ka work in progress bhaga politik mun ka sit have very strong. Thank you.
Well, we have to move ahead. We all have to be with the Chief Minister and to continue with the journey of MDA too, and that is what we do right now.
What is the reason for dropping Paul and
There's no reason of dropping anyone. It's basically sharing of responsibilities. My personal opinion is concerned, which is being expressed by all the elected members and party as a whole. So it